that. Gotta get, gotta get.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be tackling my refrigerator. Now as you can see, there's not a lot in there, but it definitely needs to be cleaned out and wiped down. I'm not one for shopping for a lot of grocery. I get exactly what I need. I don't like bulk because I don't like too much stuff around. So let's get into it. Let's clean and restock my refrigerator. Before I go any further, I'm going to let you guys know that this is a collaboration with three amazing women here on YouTube. Loreal from Clouded by L YouTube channel. She is a mother of three and a stay-at-home wife. Denise from D Nice and Fam. She is a stay-at-home mama as well of two little ones, and the cleaning mommy. And she has just added a beautiful baby girl to her family, and she is a stay-at-home mother as well. So you guys, let's get started into this Power Hour collaboration, and I hope when I am done, you will check out the playlist down below and visit these ladies' channel.
Set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
So just getting started here, you guys. I am taking everything out of the refrigerator, of course, and I am going to wipe down the shelves. I hope you all don't judge me too harshly for that earlier clip. I know my Alexa was so gross, but at this time I was getting over the COVID-19 virus. It came into our house, and me and my family, we got it, and we're doing perfectly fine now. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it kicked my butt. But on this day, as I said, it was toward the end and we were getting over the sickness, and I had a little bit of energy. And of course, payday was coming up, and I know I needed to do my grocery haul. So I decided, like I do, you know, every 2 weeks, I've got to clean and wipe down the refrigerator. I cannot stand putting new grocery in a sticky, gross refrigerator. So I'm going to start off with the dirtiest part first to hurry up and get over with, which is the very bottom. There my meat and cheese bin was, and right under it, it seems to have frozen. There's been some water leakage and it's frozen. So I'm going to break it up here, and then I'm going to sweep all this ice out and give it a really good scrub. So now I'm going to go in and start just wiping down the shelves. As I said, it wasn't too dirty. So I've just got a mixture here of some pine sol and water. And lately I've really loved just cleaning with pine sol. It makes the house smell amazing. It's a disinfectant, and my husband buys it in bulk. So it's just been a really great idea lately. So next, what I've got to do is clean this meat and cheese bin. It's where I keep, the sandwich meat, the cheeses, and all that type of stuff, hot dogs, etc. And that was a little bit gross. You know how sometimes there's liquid in your hot dog packages, or sometimes there's just film that comes off of those products. So that had leaked all at the bottom, and I just wanted to give that a good scrub with the dish soap. So here it is, you guys, me finished wiping it down and washing out my bottom container. So I did put some napkins in the bottom just to catch everything for the next time, so the cleanup would be just a little bit easier. And I wanted to show you guys we have 20 minutes left so that I can restock the refrigerator. So these are some groceries that me and my husband picked up. As I said, at this moment we were at the end of our sickness, so we made a quick Walmart pickup, and these are the things that we purchased. And now I'm going to get busy putting everything away.
Just wanna get lost. Pour it down, just pour it down. You stay home and be nice. Boy, I will be gone all night.
So I'm just putting everything back into the refrigerator, and I'm almost done. My husband came downstairs to check on my progress. He really will just wanted to wait for me so we could just hang out together. My sister used to call us codependent. I don't know if we are or not, but even if we're in separate parts of the house, we're always checking, like, what are you doing? Are you going to come sit with me? Are you going to hang out with me? I don't know. I think maybe also being in the military, we spend so much time away from other people, or having like a core group of friends. We're always moving around, so it's always just me and him. So maybe that's why we're always stuck to each other. I don't know. So I wanted to turn the camera around and show you guys that I made it. I did all of that within the hour, and I have about 36 seconds to spare. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you to get up and do something on your to-do list. An hour doesn't seem like a lot of time, but you can get so much accomplished. Please do not forget to go down to my description box and check out the lovely ladies I was collaborating with today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
What I am worth. Your words are like bullets now.